What's up, everybody? This is Matt Brown, and I have an announcement to make. Over the last 3 years, I have poured my passion into this YouTube channel. I've created some cool videos and had some awesome experiences that have come from it. But this has been not without sacrifice. Most of these videos, you might not know, have been shot at night, sometimes after midnight, and I've had to put in a lot of work on top of my day job. And sometimes that can just add up and be a bit much. And so over the last weeks and months, I've kind of come to the decision that I had to make some cuts. Something had to give. And that thing was my day job. So I have left my day job. Last Friday, I had my last day. I turned in my badge and I walked away from full-time employment. And I am now fully self-employed in my own business. And so don't worry, the YouTube channel is going to continue on as normal, actually even more than it has before. Sorry for the clickbait, I just had to do it. But in this video, I actually want to tell you a little bit about the history of how I came to create this channel, what it's looked like for me over the last 3 years, and some of my plans going forward with the YouTube channel and my business. So first of all, let's go back in time 3 years ago. 3 years ago, I decided to make a YouTube channel. I had a really crappy webcam and a microphone, a headset that some of you guys will remember that was really bad. And my audio is not great today, but it's way better than it was back then. And I started out making videos, just really simple stuff, and I just wanted to give back because I had received so much free educational content from the community that I felt like it was my time to give back to the community. And so the YouTube channel started to grow, and I made a certain video that got me invited to a HackerOne live hacking event. And that event, the first one I ever competed in, I happened to win, and I happened to win this very coveted prize, the Most Valuable Hacker Award. And it was specifically targeting Amazon IoT devices that I got that award. And then that led to other opportunities and other opportunities. The channel kept growing. You guys kept getting value out of it, which is so cool to see. And then lately, just through the pestering, honestly, of many people asking me like, hey, are you going to do a paid training course? I gave that a shot, and to be quite honest, it has been really successful. And so between that and then also from the YouTube channels, companies have just reached out and asked me to pen test their devices as a consultant. So between those two things, as a part of this business that kind of just grew out of a YouTube channel, I now feel the confidence to step away from full-time employment and go headfirst into this thing. So what is this thing? What is Brown Fine Security? Well, I'm glad you asked. So first, I want to talk a little bit about the name and where that comes from, because that is part of why I wanted to make this video, was to thank one person specifically, and that is my dad. So my dad, growing up, when I was the age that my kids are now, my dad left his full-time job to become self-employed. And he found a way, like a true hacker, right? He's not doesn't work in IT. But a hacker is someone who goes outside the norms of a system or a set of rules and kind of, goes out on their own path, right? And so my dad found a way to apply his passion and his skill to a job to make a living, and one that was flexible, that gave him the flexibility to be there for us as kids all the time. Like, he was always coaching our baseball, our hockey, and just being there at any time during the middle of the week. And I know that the result of that was that he probably worked some late nights. But in the same way, I am hoping to pass that on to my kids as well. And this job, this self-employment, is going to allow me to do that. It's going to allow me to make cool videos that I'm passionate about. I can deliver value to people, and I can be flexible and be there for my family whenever they need me. So that's a bit of the backstory. So the name comes from my dad's business. And What does Brown Fine Security do though? So Brown Fine Security is going to have primarily 3 pillars, 3 things that it does. The first one is not going to change, and you already know it. It's the YouTube channel, right? This is free content. It's always going to be free content. And I am not looking at this time, I'm not saying I'd never do it, but at this time, I'm not looking to bring in any sponsors. Now, I have done a couple of what I would call collaboration videos where I do bring in and feature somebody's product or service. And I only do that, one, if I've already interacted with that product or service before, and I think that it's going to provide a lot of value to you, the audience. So there's a couple times we've brought in some reverse engineering tools and showed those off on the channel, but that is probably the exception and not the rule for how I'm going to interact with outside entities coming on to the YouTube platform. It's always going to be free. It's going to be tons of free educational content for years to come. And so nothing changes with the YouTube channel. That is free. Now, I do got to make money. So for businesses, I offer IoT pen testing services. Like I said, I've just had people reach out to me based on the YouTube channel and ask me to perform IoT pen testing on their devices. And so if you are a business and you are looking for a trusted vendor, a provider of IoT pen test services, I would recommend reaching out to me on my website, brownfinesecurity.com. We can go here. It's right over here. And you can come over here and click the contact page, click here to, kind of learn about our IoT pen testing services and, get in contact with me and see what I can do for you. And then the third thing that is new that I kind of mentioned, that a number of you are asking me about trainings. So if you are an individual and you are looking for a more kind of a formal or structured educational approach, we're still gonna have the YouTube channel. It's always gonna be free content, right? But if you want it to be a little bit more structured in a class format, I have a course here, and then I'm also partnering with Andrew Bellini, who is an awesome IoT hacker as well, and we're going to be creating even more courses on training.brownfinesecurity.com. So that is an option for you as an individual to level up your IoT hacking skills. And so, that's what we got. That's what Brown Fine Security is. So 3 things. It's free content for everybody, IoT pen testing services for business, and training for individuals. And between that, I'm also hoping to travel to more conferences to be able to see more of you. I will definitely this year, I'm definitely locked in for DEF CON, and I'm considering some other conferences as well. But if you're around at DEF CON, definitely swing by the Embedded Systems Village, and I will be there. And so thank you for watching this video. Again, this couldn't have happened without you, my YouTube subscribers. And so I just have to say a big thank you to you for continuing to watch my videos, because it has had a profound impact on my life, as you can see, and allowed me to take this next step confidently. So until next time, you have a good day.